Srila Ved Vyas explained, he explained that Bhagavatam is a sweet ripened fruit, and like a sweet fruit, when it is eaten by a parrot, it becomes even more sweet. Similarly, when Bhagavatam was spoken by Shukdev Goswami, and we all know that Shukdev Goswami was the special parrot of Srimati Radha Rani in his previous birth. So this Bhagavatam has become even more sweeter. So Bhagavatam has been compared with the sweet ripened fruit, and Shukdev Goswami is that parrot who is speaking Bhagavatam. So therefore Bhagavatam has become so sweet. Now story time. Once upon there was a beautiful forest of Nemesharanya, and this forest is actually a special place. Therefore, there were thousands of sages who had come here in this forest to do a sacrifice, a yajna. And this yajna was not an ordinary yajna, it was a special yajna, a special sacrifice, because the sages had to do this sacrifice for 1000 years, which means that this yajna fire that you see, this will keep burning for 1000 years. And these sages were also not ordinary sages. And do you know why? Because these sages were doing this yajna not for their own pleasure, but for the pleasure of Lord Sri Krishna. Because Kali Yuga had come and they knew that Kali Yuga will have bad effect on people. So they wanted to subdue, they wanted to reduce the effect of Kali Yuga. So all of them started to do a yajna to please the Lord Hari. But one day in that forest came Srila Suta Goswami. Srila Suta Goswami is the son of Roma Harsha Suta. And Srila Suta Goswami had listened to Bhagavatam in the same ceremony, in the same sages, along with the same sages where Shukdev Goswami had narrated Bhagavatam to Maharaj Parikshit. And he also knew that secret. So therefore he had attentively and submissively listened to Bhagavatam. So he memorized the Bhagavatam in his heart and always kept thinking about it. Now when Srila Suta Goswami walked further in the forest, he met those thousands of sages. And those thousands of sages all gathered around Srila Suta Goswami and offered him obeisances, Dandvat Pranams. And they offered him a beautiful Vyas Asan. There were thousands of sages. So all of them were represented by one Rishi. His name was Shaunak Rishi. Now, Shaunak Rishi asked questions on behalf of all the sages to Suta Goswami. And these are the most important questions of Bhagavatam that a person can ask. But we'll continue this the next time. But before we move on, I want to ask you a question. What do you see on my screen? All of you, what do you see on my screen?
Mataji, Jal.
Yes,
No,
what is
Ocean.
ocean? Yes, right. That's right. It's an ocean. Hari bol. Now, how many of you
Mom and
know?
endless ocean.
It is an endless ocean. Yes. How many of you know how to swim? Or how many of you are learning to swim?
Mataji, I don't know.
And how many of you want to learn to swim?
Mataji, I know little bit. Mataji, I know how to swim.
But I know how to swim.
Hari bol, Hari bol.
Literally, I know
Now
how to
tell me
swim.
one thing. People who want to learn to swim, or they're learning to swim, or they know swim, can we swim this ocean and cross the ocean? Let's say I want to go from India to Australia. Can I cross the Indian Ocean by swimming?
No,
On my own effort?
Mataji.
Yes, with my own ability.
Just ship only.
Yes, we
Ship,
can't
aeroplane.
swim. Hari bol. Yes,
ship or boat. Mataji,
yes, Avni.
go
By
ship or aeroplane.
Yes, so I want to go by sea. So what I should take? I should take a ship. Hari bol. All of you are very intelligent. Yes. So I should take a ship. Now let's say I sit on a ship. But how will the ship move? Who is the one who will tell the ship to go in the right direction, in the right destination?
Sailor.
Ma'am, pilot.
Captain.
Mataji, captain. Mataji, captain.
Yes.
Mataji, captain.
Captain, yes,
Sailor.
yes, Jaya, yes, Kritika, yes, Diksha, Captain, yes, Aradhya, Captain, Hari bol. Yes, Captain will tell the ship, it will steer the ship so that it reaches the right destination. Otherwise, in the water, ship can go anywhere, but we want to go to one special destination. Similarly, now look at this. This ocean is actually the material world, and this boat or the ship is Srimad Bhagavatam. And do you know who is the captain
And
of
Srimad
the ship?
Bhagavatam, or we can say Bhakto ka Sang.
Mataji, Guruji.
Yes, yes,
Mataji, Captain Guruji.
yes, captain is Guruji, and the original captain is Suta Goswami. And after that, whoever comes after Suta Goswami becomes the captain. So the captain of the ship is Suta Goswami, the ship is Srimad Bhagavatam. And all of us will, along with the devotees, somebody said Bhakto ka Sam, yes, हम सारे devotees के साथ इस ship में बैठेंगे और हम ये कहाँ जाएंगे? We'll go to Golok Vrindavan.
Bhagavatam.
Bhagavatam, yes. So by